Hello and welcome to the SAP Analytics Cloud new lecture, that is how to navigate into SAP Analytics Cloud interface. So in this interface we have two options. One is the horizontal menu bar and the other one is a vertical menu bar. So in the horizontal navigation bar we will discuss all the options one by one, and after that we will explore the vertical menu in detail. So after login we come to the main leading page, that is called the dashboard. In this dashboard we have mainly four options, and other than that we have recent stories and recent analytical application, and we have also the last data point scale and the sample bar chart. So after that we also have the catalog favorite options and the shared with me option, and a part of that when we click on the three line button, the vertical menu bar will be automatically expand, and here we have the home, the files option, and uh, and the other options in the app section. So first of all we discuss the files option. So when we exploring the files option, we have owned by me. These are the object which created by me, by my user, and whatever the object, either it is model, either it is story, and any other object, the object which owned by me will be shown, will be filtered automatically by using this option. The next option is the shared with me. These are the object which created by others user and shared with my user. The next thing is favorite. All the things, all the stories, either it is analytic application which listed on the favorite, will be shown here like this. Now the SAP FI report is my favorite story, so that I add it into my favorites. So it will automatically show in this option favorite. The next option is featured files. SAP Analytics Cloud automatic recommend some features file which will be shown here, and the it's mean the recommendation which given by the SAP Analytics Cloud will be automatically filtered when we use this option. The next option is system. So many of the things like its architecture of SAP Analytics Cloud will be shown here. So no matter what the user is, the architecture will be same, and the for example the my workplace and some basics is structure files will be created automatically, will be shown here. The last but not least option, the deleted files. All the files which deleted by the user will be shown here, because it's like the recycle bin of SAP Analytics Cloud. So these are the options, these are the categories here. But if we want to filter the object, we will use the filter option by selecting any appropriate type of filter. Like if we want to filter the models, we will select the model from the filter, and automatically the list will be filtered by the by the type of model. Or if we select the story, the list will be automatically filtered as per the story. We can select multiple option if we want to filter the story and the model and the other any other type of object. These will be filtered automatically based on our requirement, like this. if I select the story, and also if I select the analytical application or any other or models, and the models type and the story type, filter story type object will be shown automatically in the listing. So the next option is the plus sign. We can add any sort of object by using this option, either it is story or any other thing. We can create filter by using we can create sorry the create we can create folder by using this option. We can manage a large product by managing the folders, and the folder management is a very key role for any project management. The next option is the editing. If we want to edit some object, we have to select the object and then go to the edit detail. Like if we want to edit the story, we will select the story and then click on the edit button. The next option is the share button. If we want to share our object to any user, no matter the what type of level other level of user is, either it is C level user or any other user, we can share our object very easily by using this option. We just have to give the name of the ID or the email address of the user in the add field, and then it we will have to select the share button. The your story or any other object will be automatically shared. So in this way you can filter the user by using the alphabet or by using the starting name of the user. SAP Analytics Cloud will be automatically show the filter criteria, the match criteria according to the input. So in this system there are a lot of user, so we cannot filter, we cannot select any particular user. So the next option is upload file. So if we want to do give some files, if we want to upload some data to the SAC Analytics Cloud, we will use this option. Next option is draft data. All the object which are not completed, which are not activated, are showing here, no matter what type of object it is. So the next option is copy to. If you want to copy any object, you can also create a copy of it. Other option is the delete. If you want to delete any object, you have to select the object and then click on the delete button. So if you want to show any particular number of columns in this listing, you can select this option by selecting the number of column of any type. If you want to hide the type column, or if you hide the change owner or any sort of column, you can show and you can hide as per your favoritism or as per your requirement. So this option is also very helpful to manage the object very accurately and as per our favoritism. So the next
So the next option is a search field where we can find anything by using any keyword. Either it is the story, either it is a model, the name which will have these keyword will be shown automatically. Like I type BNA, the stories which have the name and the BNA will be shown automatically as shown in the screen. So the next option after the search is the app section where a part of other app there is a more option available here. First of all, we will explore stories. So when I click on the stories, the system will ask the create options where we can create our story by using the grid, smart discovery, and the responsive and the classic canvas. We can also build a story by using the template. uh, a part of that is a bookmark, and the story conversion is also present here. So let's create a story by using the responsive canvas. We cannot use the smart discovery. We will explore the smart discovery later in other lecture. So it is a very interesting part which impart the AI implication in the story. So let's create our story by using the responsive option. So when I click on the responsive icon, it will redirect to the creation menu to the design environment of the story. Now it's asking for optimize design experience or the classic design experience. So we will use the optimized design experience because it is a new and easy to use, and it has the advanced feature for creating our stories.